Elastopipe is a unique flexible piping system, developed in collaboration with key industry stakeholders to cope with extremes in high-risk offshore environments. The revolutionary material ensures hassle-free design and installation, corrosion-free flow for a minimum of 30 years, plus a range of other benefits. In fact, once fitted, it's as if it wasn't there at all. Elastopipe has been tried and tested to give you the assurance of continuous water flow. Made from a patented synthetic rubber, the unique construction incorporates a fire shield, pressure liner, and inner layer. Unlike traditional piping, this synthetic rubber is 100% corrosion-proof. It also has a unique dampening effect, which can help to reduce water hammer by up to 60%. Elastopipe is also flexible, yet extremely tough. Following an impact of 800 joules, there is no loss of burst pressure. It is designed to tolerate an explosive force of at least 1.5 bar with a pulse of 200 milliseconds. In jet fire tests based on OTI 95634, Elastopipe can withstand a heat flux of 390 kilowatts per meter squared, temperatures above 1350 degrees centigrade, and flame speeds above the speed of sound for 1 hour, with no water in the pipe for the first 5 minutes. There are 2 Elastopipe products, fire-resistant and fire and oil-resistant, designed to transport fluids ranging from freshwater to crude oil. The system is perfectly adapted to a range of offshore piping applications, including critical firewater or utility systems such as drains, ventilation lines, hydrocarbons, and deluge and sprinkler systems. As well as new installations, Elastopipe gives you the flexibility to integrate with existing piping on brownfield and refurbishment projects. To ensure Elastopipe meets the strict performance criteria set by the steering committee, rigorous testing has been verified by DNV, the leading maritime classification body. The system has also gained type approvals for the oil and gas industry's mandatory regulatory, technical and safety requirements. Elastopipe has been designed to transform installation and maintenance. The majority of the system can be prefabricated off-site, with the assembled elements installed without welding or other hot work activities, so production and processing can continue unaffected. Continuous corrosion-free flow for the lifetime of the product means inspections are reduced and costly maintenance avoided. When it comes to health and safety, Elastopipe resists fire with minimal smoke release and no toxic gases. And there's no risk of injury from welding equipment during installation. It's also quicker and more efficient to install than traditional rigid systems, minimizing man-hours offshore. As well as revolutionizing the functional capabilities of your critical firewater and utility applications, Elastopipe delivers market-leading cost-effectiveness. Compared to traditional steel, GRE and GRP products, it simplifies engineering and installation for lower total installed costs. Reduced inspection intervals and no ongoing maintenance mean that over a typical 30-year life cycle, the financial benefits are clear. Engineer the best practice solution with Elastopipe and Trelleborg Offshore. From surveying to hydraulic calculations and support structures, our piping engineers and technical experts will help to keep your project flowing. Elastopipe is more than different. It's a totally new way to look at piping with a range of benefits that are clear to see.